welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts, and what I'm going to show you today is how to make my own little casting pot that I make actually out of acetate. So I'm going to quickly show you how I do that. I'll give you the dimensions. It's 170 by 120 centimeters, and let's see if I can work that out in inches. I'm not very good with inches. It's 6 3/4 inches by 4 3/4 inches, and that to me makes the ideal size pot. What I also use is a bit of double-sided sticky tape, and I find this works really well. I put that down one of the edges like so, and I will put links to everything that I use in the description, so you'll be able to get hold of it quite easily. I burnish that down. I trim off the excess that I don't need. I just take the backing off it using a little picker tool. You can use your nail, but I never get it off with my nail, so I don't know why. Or toothpick or something you can get it off with. Pull that off like that. And now I roll it like so and line that edge up with the edge of the acetate. There we go, like so. I then push it down again to ensure that it's well adhered to that acetate. And then I will cut off a circle. I know roughly how deep I want it, so I want it about 20 centimeters, which is just under an inch. And then I just trim it up like so. And then that gives me my little ring there to cast in. And then I attach that to another piece of acetate like so. And now I've stopped using hot glue because I find that I get more leaks with hot glue. And what I'm actually using is general purpose silicone that comes in a little squeegee tube. And I find this to be quite easy to use. You just cut off the tip and I squeeze it on like that, the first bit, hold it down without distorting it, and then attach it to there like so. And I'll go round to the other side and I'll do that again. If you want to distort it and get a different shape, you can. Right, so there we go. And I'll just roll it up like this. And then I just go round the edge, making sure that I get everything covered in silicone. There we go. So I just get it moving. So I just go around the whole edge like so, and you do need to do this in a little bit more advanced than you would if you're using hot glue, because it doesn't glue as quick. So there we go, I'm quite happy with that. I'll wipe my little knob. I'll put my cap back on, and then what I do is I take a toothpick like this, and then I just go through this, and because this isn't dry like the hot glue would be by now, I just ensure that it's adhered to the sides. And also, if it's out of shape, I can see that it's out of shape anywhere, and it still isn't dry, and as a result I can push it back into the shape that I want. And then I'll push it down onto the actual acetate itself like so, making sure there's a really good seal between the edge where it's connecting and also the base bit. And it really does work much better than hot glue. I mean, hot glue's great at a pinch and I've used it for a long time, but I'm really enjoying this method because I don't get half as much mess as I used to get using the hot glue, because I had bits that leaked out. There we go. And what I'll do is I'll leave that to one side and let that cure up for about 30 to 45 minutes. And these are nice and cured now, so hopefully these are not going to leak in any way.